What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another viewer question. And Wayboy asks, do I think manuals are better than automatics? And the answer is yes, and let's jump into the reasons. So the first reason is you have more control when you drive. You can shift at higher RPMs whenever you like. Obviously not really whenever because you don't want to blow your motor, but you can shift at later time or earlier is going to kind of suck, but you can change it later. And it's not the computer making the decisions, it's you. So your brain is what chooses when you want to shift. Manual will always have more power, a little more power than automatics, because in the automatic the torque converter has a little bit of slippage when it's turning. That causes some little loss of power. For a manual, that power goes straight to the wheels and you're good to go with that. Car modifications are made easier on manuals. You don't have a lot of the computer compensation that you have to adjust for with an automatic, because remember, the computer is what's shifting the transmission. As a manual, like I said, you're in control, so it does make it easier to modify. A bunch of little stuff I wrote down here also. Better fuel economy, it's less complex, it weighs less, has more gears than an auto, and you pay more attention to the road. What you have to understand is when you're driving, you're the one in control. It's an extension of you. Your whole body is what drives that vehicle. Your left foot on the clutch, your right foot on the gas, your hand on the shifter, your hand on the wheel. Your body, it's basically an extension of you going down the road. You are the car and the car becomes you. Honestly, from now on, I will no longer have automatic vehicles. Well, obviously I have the Avalanche and the Corolla, but from now on it'll be manual vehicles. One, I think they're so fun to drive. Two, which I'm not even a professional at driving manuals, so right now I bought the GeoTracker, which is going to be a complete rebuild with welding and a bunch of stuff like that. And I never welded in my life, so I don't really know. Well, I did weld once with Peter, but I barely got experience, so that's going to be something new to try. And it shifts great. I'm going to practice on it, and then I'm going to start buying vehicles and manuals so I can become a professional manual driver. You know how cool that'll be? And yeah, that's about it, guys. That's everything that has to go on about the manual. If there's anything else that you guys want to leave in the comment section below, definitely leave it in the comment section below. I definitely like to hear from each and every one of you. Oh, and I got one more thing. Look what came into the mail. Rafael, you asked for this. I got stickers. If any of you guys are interested, you can definitely reach out to me on YouTube or Instagram. You can DM me at King Customs. I'll definitely leave the link in the description below for y'all to get some of these. And we could set up something through PayPal or whatnot. I'm currently working on a King Customs website, so you guys can directly order from there. As of right now, you guys can order these through Instagram. Just DM me and let me know how many you want. And yeah, they're pretty cool. I'm going to start to put them out on the truck and the car and stuff, so gotta rep. But here you go, guys. Here you go. I'm not sure how much to charge for them. I was thinking like $6. You know, that's to cover the cost of shipping and whatnot. I think it's a decent price. Something to help support the channel, help me do my projects and whatnot. So if you guys are interested, definitely hit up the DM, comment down below, let me know if you like him. And yeah, we'll see you later. Peace.